Here are some tips for getting into a CNC router business. Research the market to determine the demand for CNC router services in your area. This will help you understand the potential for your business and identify any potential competition. Develop a business plan that includes a detailed financial analysis, marketing strategy, and operational plan. This will help you plan and organize your business and ensure that it is financially viable. Invest in the appropriate equipment and software. This may include purchasing a CNC router, as well as any necessary software and tools. It may also be necessary to obtain training or certification to operate the CNC router safely and effectively. Develop a marketing strategy to promote your business and attract customers. This may include creating a website, advertising in local publications, or networking with potential clients. Establish relationships with suppliers and vendors to ensure that you have access to the materials and resources you need to run your business. Stay up to date with industry developments and trends, and continually educate yourself on new techniques and technologies. This will help you remain competitive and offer high-quality services to your clients. Be prepared for challenges and obstacles, and be willing to adapt and adjust your business as necessary. Starting and running a business can be difficult, but with hard work and determination, you can succeed. The world of machining, specifically milling and CNC, computer numerical control technology, is a fascinating and complex field. Milling is a process in which a cutting tool is used to remove material from a workpiece to create a specific shape or form. CNC technology is used to control the movement of the cutting tool, allowing for highly precise and automated milling operations. Together, milling and CNC technology allow for the creation of complex and detailed parts and components with a high degree of accuracy and repeatability. This technology is widely used in a variety of industries, including manufacturing, engineering, and aerospace, to produce a wide range of products and components. The world of machining is constantly evolving, with new technologies and techniques being developed all the time. As a result, it is a dynamic and exciting field that offers many opportunities for those interested in working with cutting-edge technology. A woodworking milling machine is a machine that is used to perform milling operations on wood. Milling is a process in which a cutting tool is used to remove material from a workpiece to create a specific shape or form. Woodworking milling machines can be used for a variety of purposes, such as cutting, drilling, and carving wood. A woodworking milling machine can be a useful tool for woodworkers, as it allows for the creation of precise and complex shapes and designs. These machines are commonly used in a variety of applications, including furniture making, cabinetry, and carpentry. When selecting a woodworking milling machine, it is important to consider factors such as size, power, precision, and compatibility with different tools and materials. It is also important to consider the price and overall value of the machine. Researching and comparing different models can help you find the right woodworking milling machine for your